This is our farm, and we wanted to do kind of something special, bringing you here, kind of seeing in the backdrop of what we've been talking about, and honestly, trying to explain that we're not just joshing you. We're not just sitting here, faking it.
It's a real place.
So we're out on location, and we're going to talk about a lot of things coming up with the fall coming up, and then goals that we have of what we wanted to achieve going into the fall, what's coming on property, and just things here and there, a little update.